Welcome to the fascinating world of biotechnology in agriculture. Over the last few decades, science and technology have dramatically transformed how we grow our food. One of the most impactful advancements has been the development of genetically modified crops, often called GM crops. These crops have the potential to reshape modern farming by making plants more resilient to pests, diseases, and changing climates. But how exactly does this work? Let's explore. So, what exactly are genetically modified crops? GMOs are plants that have been altered using biotechnology to introduce new traits, such as resistance to pests or diseases. Scientists achieve this by identifying specific genes that carry the desired traits and inserting them into the plant's DNA. New techniques like CRISPR make it easier and more precise to modify crops. One of the main goals of genetic modification is to help plants resist pests and diseases that could destroy entire crops. For example, by introducing the Bt gene, which produces a natural insecticide, crops like cotton and corn can defend themselves against insects like bollworms and corn borers. This innovation reduces the need for chemical pesticides and helps farmers save their crops. Two major examples of pest-resistant GM crops are Bt cotton and Bt corn. Bt cotton has been engineered to protect itself from bollworms, while Bt corn defends against corn borers. These crops have not only improved yield but have also significantly reduced the use of chemical pesticides in the environment. Disease resistance is another key benefit of GM crops. Take the case of virus-resistant papayas, a breakthrough that saved the papaya industry from the deadly ring spot virus. Similarly, potatoes have been engineered to resist late blight, the disease responsible for the Irish potato famine. GM tomatoes are now more resistant to bacterial and fungal infections, extending their shelf life and improving food security. These pest and disease-resistant crops offer numerous benefits. By reducing the need for pesticides, we can minimize the environmental impact and protect ecosystems. Additionally, GM crops lead to increased yields, helping to address global food security issues. For farmers, particularly in developing countries, this can mean a significant economic boost. Despite the clear advantages, GM crops are not without controversy. Some people are concerned about the potential health risks of consuming GMOs, even though numerous studies have found no harm. There are also environmental concerns, such as the potential for pest resistance to evolve and affect other species. And while some countries have embraced GM crops, others have strict regulations and public opposition. One of the most significant promises of biotechnology is its role in creating a more sustainable agriculture. GM crops can help reduce the use of harmful chemicals, conserve water, and ensure food security for a growing global population. As we face new challenges from climate change, such as drought and shifting weather patterns, biotech crops will be vital in adapting to these changes. The future of biotechnology in agriculture looks brighter than ever, thanks to advancements in tools like CRISPR. Emerging GM crops are being designed to be more resistant to drought, more nutrient-dense, and even able to adapt to changing climates. We're also seeing exciting innovations like disease-resistant bananas and crops that require fewer resources, making farming more efficient and sustainable. To sum it up, biotechnology in agriculture has given us the tools to create crops that are not only more pest and disease resistant but also help reduce the environmental footprint of farming. As we move into the future, genetically modified crops will play a crucial role in feeding the world sustainably. Stay informed, stay curious, and explore how biotechnology is transforming agriculture for the better.